So I'm Angelica Lozano, I'm CTO and co-founder of MLean. And in my day-to-day basis, I lead the team that designs, develops, maintains the MPS in over 500 factories now. A key issue in factories that don't implement lean manufacturing is the amount of money, resources, and time they waste. In some cases, due to quality issues, these factories make more parts than they need to, or they need to rework parts that they are already made because they weren't up to standard. Sometimes these factories make semi-finished products that stay in the warehouse for a very long time, meaning that they might never make it to the market, translating into a waste of money. Another common theme in factories without lean manufacturing is the amount of time workers and materials spend moving between lines. Downtime between processes, recurring problems, and very limited ability to adapt to the needs of the market are also commonplace without lean manufacturing. Factories can no longer afford to keep implementing practices that lead to waste, as it directly affects their profitability and competitiveness. It's fundamental for a factory to succeed in adapting to ever-changing demands of customers. Otherwise, factories will be stuck with processes that don't work for them and take a massive hit to their bottom line. Well, put simply, whatever doesn't get better gets worse. Continuous improvement is instrumental in finding improvement opportunities in industrial processes, so factories can enter a positive cycle to remain competitive, profitable, and efficient. And when you improve your processes, that is your know-how, you cut through the noise and step ahead of your competitors. Well, the MLean production system is a unique software that combines all the advantages of lean manufacturing with digital solutions, allowing people to have all the information they need in the palm of their hands whenever they need it. This helps make them fast, well-informed decisions on the field. The use of mobile technology in lean manufacturing processes makes collaboration and traceability way easier, helping your factory create a knowledge base full of good practices as well as corrective and preventative measures. This gives your workers the best possible tools to future-proof your factory. The MPS gets rid of time-consuming bureaucratic tasks with no added value, allowing line managers to focus on their team's development as well as on the planning and execution of continuous improvement ideas. From a functional standpoint, the MPS is a live software in constant evolution. This evolution is possible by monitoring how it's being used in more than 500 factories when it's been already deployed. This monitoring gives us insights into the challenges our users face in their day-to-day industrial processes. This makes the MPS a great tool for developing and maintaining good digitalization practices, meaning that every plant using MLean doesn't need to invest time and money into something that might not work. Instead, these plants can focus on deploying a consolidated tool that's been successful in over 500 factories all over the world. From a technical point of view, the MPS has been designed and developed with a strong focus on security, confidentiality, and data protection. The thing I find the most interesting about working with the MPS is learning how products are made and what problems each industry faces in the process. I also find it fascinating how, thanks to digital technologies, we can make the everyday life of factory workers seamless, easier, and more efficient.